Okay din yan ah.
Maligo muna.
Eh, ang tagal kasi ni Dong waiting daw ng...
Naglalaro nyo.
No! Julene, not too much. Julene, her back, not too much. Ah.
He doesn't like hug.
Are you okay, little girl?
Hoy! Come here now.
Kala tinitignan mo pa. Ala, pinayak niya si Julene.
Okay, Baboy.
Ano? Ganyan ang tawag yan eh.
Jo, sige maligo na, Jo. Just kidding. At pala na.
No. I'm still playing.
Naghihintay nga kay Do.
Maligo na, ah.
This is my piece now.
Halika na, tabulong
Go
ka
on,
lang
I'm
ka.
cooking now, okay?
Wait. Look. We're moving. Move.
Where are we going?
Where are you moving?
No, I want to cook now.
Wait, it's hard to wait. Wait, Charlie. Oh, good.
Where you going? Oh, you're moving the store?
Right here.
Ni, nag-move na ni.
Moving na yung restaurant. Bye.
Oo, Julene. Look. Galit na yung tindera. Ayan. Why?
Where's me? Bye.
Pa- 5-5. Ano sabi mo, anak? Jilana, what you say? Naks, sana all. But you really. Where you going, Jilana? Trabaho pa more.
Where are you going?
Oo nga, best in the world.
I'm cooked. I never did be cooked.
Julene, go with grandma now.
I'm in the shower now. Bye.
Okay, fix first.
Just one.
Oh, put it this one. You don't want to cook your gloves. Oo.
I'm ready tonight.
Jade. Oo. Why, Dad, can you hold this one? Dad? Jade, can you hold this garbage, anak? Uni, wala na. Garbage, anak.
Good.